A new day begins for our happy little toddler. The sun is smiling hello.
Stretch, stretch.
Good morning, Sunny. Time to start our day.
Rise and shine, little star.
Let's start with happy hellos. Sing along with the greeting song.
Good morning, good morning. How are you today?
I'm happy, ready now to play.
Good morning, sunshine on the way.
Good morning, let's start our day.
Hello, 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 hip hip hooray.
Woof, 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 tail wag all the way.
We smile, we wave, we start with cheer.
With family love, we're all right here.
Good morning, hip hip hooray.
Good morning, let's start our day.
Today we'll splash and dance in the rain. Rain falls softly, kids laugh and splash.
Boots on feet, we find the biggest puddle.
Jumping, splash but not too high.
We twirl umbrellas, spinning around in rain.
Pitter-patter, drip-drop, splish, splash, giggle.
Hold hands, step, step, keep together.
Slow and safe. Watch your step, friends.
My turn to splash.
Nice jump, Sunny.
Woof, I'll splash.
Big splash coming. I got it.
Slow steps, splash softly.
Splash, splash, rainy dance.
Perfect puddle jump.
When rain slows, we twirl and clap.
Big puddle here. Jump time.
Woof, splashy pup.
Splash a bit, pause a bit. Rain and smiles make playtime glow.
Can I splash too?
Let's jump and share.
Gentle rain tickles our cheeks.
Morning rain makes perfect playtime.
After we play, we dry and tidy up.
We feel great.
Playing together makes happy homes.
I love dancing in the rain.
Now let's sing our rainy song.
Raindrops, raindrops, watch us go. Raindrops, raindrops, watch us go. Jump a little, nice and slow.
Spin a little, nice and slow.
Puddles splash up, here we go.
Puddles splash up, here we go. Raindrops, raindrops, watch us go.
Thank you, rain clouds. We love this show.
Woof, woof, splish, splash, let's go.
Boots on feet and umbrellas glow. Raindrops, raindrops. Jump a little, nice and slow. We dance in rain and watch smiles grow.
We learn together today.
Learning is fun.
Let's help our family.
Small hands can do big kind things. See you next time. Subscribe for more fun learning.